Hello, I'm Retha Martin, and I would like to invite you to listen to and receive free meditation audio readings and recordings. These guided meditations have been written and recorded by some of my students and by myself. They are designed to put you into a meditative state so that you'll be able to receive positive reinforcements that are necessary for success in your life. Whatever the success is that you desire, financial, health, relationships, or anything else. When you go to my website, rethamartin.com, and select the Join Free button in the upper right-hand side of the site, follow the simple instructions, and you'll be able to enjoy these audios in a matter of minutes. You'll be able to listen to the audios on the site or download them to enjoy on your MP3 player. Remember, for your own safety and the safety of others, meditations are designed to use when you are not engaged in activities like driving, using heavy equipment, or in any way endangering yourself. I hope you enjoy them very, very much, and we look forward to seeing your name on our site. God bless.